Good afternoon, my lovers. Right, I'm heading to a different field today. I've got the beast, the GPX 5000, and we're going to see if I can oik out some super deep targets. I've got to learn this machine, and I've been neglecting it a bit lately, but I've got a challenge coming up. I've got to go to a beach, and I've got to dig up tons of gold rings, which sounds really, really nice. Digging up tons of gold rings and sovereigns, maybe, They've always said that the GPX, the pulse induction machines, are really good on sand and get lots of finds. Oh, got another car coming. So we're going to see if we can dig up tons of gold, because it is a gold machine after all. So we're going to see if I can find some gold. Well, not today, obviously. It'd be nice to find some gold today, but I think I've found one gold ring in 4 years of detecting land, so I think it's slightly unlikely that I'm going to find gold today. Sometimes I'm a bit overly optimistic. Optimistic? Something like that. Anyway, let's see if I can find some hammered coins. Woohoo! I've made it, my lovers. I'm here, and I want to start by doing a live. I've actually been here for quite a while, but I want to start by doing a live dig, because I've been wandering around this field for an hour maybe, and looking for the perfect live dig signal, and I've just found it, and I think it might be something really nice. Should we go and have a look? Right, I plugged in the external. What I find, it's got to meet certain criteria. First of all, it's got to be easy to pinpoint, and this one was. Then it's got to be an eyebrow raiser, and this is definitely an eyebrow raiser. Right, and then it's got to sound just right. It's got to be a perfect, and it's got to have that hard tone, that sort of solid tone. Oh, let's unplug you. Don't want that going off in your ear hole. Oh, right, can I see anything? No. Oh, it's in the plot. What was that? Felt something then. Oh no, not a pesky moo tube. There we go. Still, it was a signal, and that was a lovely one. Shall we listen to the moo tube again? That is a lovely signal, that was. Oh, that's gorgeous. Those moo tubes make a nice noise. Oh, I just found something, my lovers. I just found something. What's that? It's got two holes. Looks like it had a bit of silver plate at one time. It looks pretty old. Yeah, pretty old looking. Oh, there's that decoration on the bottom. I'll give it a rub on the magic trousers. Don't know. Well, it looks like it's plated, and it looks really old. It's crumbling around the edges, like, you know, old things do. What's that? On to the next. I'll tell you what, there's one slightly annoying thing with this metal detector. It's, well, it's probably not with the metal detector, it's probably more like with me. Is that you seem to discover new ways of working the machine, but right at the end of the day. I've got a signal down here. Oh, there's a button. It's a pesky button. Still, it's a target, and I found it. Oh, it might have something on there. It might have something on there. Right, I'm going to get this cleaned up, and I'm going to get back to you. There was a word going right through the middle of it, but I just can't see it. I think I might have had one of these before. Writing around the outside, and a word right through the middle. But it's just too far gone to see it. So it's quite an old button. Right, on to the next. Oh, I got another sweet signal here. Hopefully it's not another moo tube. That was disappointing. Right, I'm going to plug in the external speaker. Yeah, it's in one small little place. Oh no! Oh, it's a pesky moo tube. Oh, I got something in here. Oh, it's in here. Oh. Oh, is it a button? I thought it was a hammy for a minute, but I don't think it is. I think it's a button. Oh no, it's not. It's not a button. It's a coin. Looks like I found some silver. Woohoo! Oh yes, look at that. It's a William. It's a bit smooth. I'm going to get this cleaned up when I get back to you. Woohoo! Right, I got a bit of foil. And I got me silver coin that's very smooth on this side. And I can just about see his bust on this side. And I'm going to put it in this foil and give it a bit of, I think it's very not very nice to gob on it, so I'm gonna got a little bit of vinegar in here. Put a bit of vinegar on there and rub it between the foil. Oh, don't have pong. Oh, it stinks. It stinks. Oh, there's a wasp. Go away, wasp. Yeah, it's working. Very lightly do it. Yeah. Right, that's probably about as much as I want to do out here. It is pretty smooth. Let's try this side. Yeah, this side's pretty shot. There's nothing on it, look. Absolutely nothing on that side. But anyway, yes, a William. With a B down the bottom there. Under his head. Is that some sort of mint mark? Lovely jubbly. On to the next. Oh, that's it, me lovers. Here's the roundup. I found lots of nails. I'm still learning this machine, but you know, flat iron always gives a good signal. Plus nails that are bent nails, and they, you know, I think it's someone said it's the carbon that when they made the nails, a lot of carbon went into there. That's why they give off such a good signal. Right, whatever this thing is. Looks like it was silver plated at some point. Right, this button with a word going through the middle, and oh, it's completely mangled it now, but it's going right through the middle. I'm sure I found one similar. You have to go back through all my 300 odd videos to find it, but it's there somewhere. And I got a coin here with something round in the middle, and I've had one of these before. Someone pointed out to me that it's a special coin. And the find of the day for sure is this William III, late 1600s shilling. Do you think that's a shilling? Possibly. Nothing on the back. It's completely smooth. Yes, lovely jubbly. Oh, that's it, me lovers. I'm heading off to the pub for some jars of ale. Yes. Oh, one more thing. I've been challenged to a duel between me and the hammy dodger. I don't think that's really fair, being a person whose nickname is the hammy dodger. In other words, not finding many hammies. And Morley and Manic from Detecting Somerset. So it's going to be a duel between the GPX 5000 and his Equinox 800. So I'll probably find all the gold, and Morley can find all the coins. I'm off. Cheers!
And gently drops the rain.